is the second dough. I think for me this is good than this one. So we have to sprinkle with flour. And then we have to combine here. Yan. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to make fresh Mickey noodles or pasta. So these are 4 simple ingredients. All-purpose flour, 1 cup, 235 or 36 ml or gram. And this is 1 cup water also, like this. And 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and pinch of salt. So we'll start now to make fresh Mickey noodles. Now we have to put now this flour here in here. And then this salt. And this is oil. Now we can make hole or canal in center. Like that. And then slowly we put water here. And then so this is the dough, and we can take out now. And then we can put here in where I'm making this chapati. So next we have to do is we have to so this is the dough. And we can rest for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, now next we have to divide this dough into 2 portions. And then sprinkle with flour. And then we have to roll it like this. Now we have to roll like this. Same we are making chapati or roti. But must be you have to apply or sprinkle more flour so that avoid paste or what you call that, iwas dikit-dikit kung sa Tagalog. Tama ba yung English ko? Like that. And the dough must be not too much thin one, but it's normal. Now next we have to fold now this one like this. Now we have to cut now like this. Now I make another way or another design. So like this. This is more easy to make than this one. But it takes too much time to do like this one by one. But it's okay. So these are fresh Mickey noodles of Wando. So I have to make again this one and the same process. Which one is good? This one or this one? Now we have to sprinkle this with flour so that avoid paste or iwas dikit-dikit. Ayan, oh, ganyan. And then we have to put this one in plate. Ayan. Because I have to make again this one. I think this is good than this other one. But this is, it takes time also to make, but it's no problem. Because, because this is handmade without machine. Like that. Must be you have to open it. Yeah. Now sprinkle with flour.